One of the big pushes, though, by this president, and this is why him and Jay Powell didn't always get along, is he's been pushing for interest rate cuts. But if his policies on trade and his policies on Iran are creating at least headline inflationary pressure, if not core inflationary pressure, that is not going to incentivize the Fed to reduce interest rates, right? So his policies are working against his goals, it would seem, with the midterm train hurtling down the track, right? It is in this cycle now that it seems like it will persist for at least the rest of the year.
I think about a year ago when we were talking, we'd say things like, isn't it surprising that the president is doing something that doesn't serve the president's own interests? And we were surprised. And I think at this point, we should just stop being surprised about it. The president picked a fight with Jay Powell that actually ended up keeping him on the Fed for longer. The president has bombed Iran, which you can look, for instance, at the November 2026 oil price futures. And that tells you that the president's party is going to go into the midterm elections with gas prices continuing to be very, very high. The president wants low interest rates, but he's managed to push inflation up through tariffs and the war and other factors as well, including mass deportations that are making it hard for farmers to find workers. And that in turn is making it hard for him to get the interest rate cuts that he wants.